welcome to Pro Wheelhouse. Today, we take you on a nostalgic yet revolutionary ride with the all-new 2025 Hindustan Ambassador 1800 ISZ. Once the king of Indian roads, the Ambassador has returned in an all-new avatar that blends vintage appeal with modern-day engineering. Let's dive into what makes this classic comeback truly special. Iconic design with a modern twist. The 2025 Ambassador 1800 ISZ retains its retro charm but has been reimagined for today's generation. The signature rounded body, chrome accents, and bold front grille remain intact, but the finer details have evolved. Sleek LED headlights, flush-mounted door handles, and aerodynamic lines add a contemporary edge. The car stands proud with its wide stance and muscular proportions, giving off a premium yet nostalgic vibe. Powerful ISZ engine performance. Under the hood, the Ambassador now houses the robust 1,800 cubic centimeters ISZ petrol engine, delivering around 135 brake horsepower and 175 Newton-meters of torque. Mated to a smooth 6-speed manual or optional automatic transmission, the powertrain is designed for both city cruising and highway touring. Acceleration feels refined and linear, with enough grunt to make overtaking effortless. Improved NVH levels and suspension tuning ensure a smoother ride than ever before. Interior comfort and tech upgrades. Step inside, and you're greeted with a premium cabin that's both luxurious and functional. The dashboard design remains classic with wooden inlays, but it's now equipped with a 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system, wireless Android Auto/Apple CarPlay, and voice commands. Leather seats, dual-zone climate control, a digital instrument cluster, and ambient lighting round out the comfort features. Rear passengers get generous legroom and fold-out tray tables, making long journeys relaxing and enjoyable. Safety and modern features. Safety hasn't been overlooked. The 2025 Ambassador 1800 ISZ comes with 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, ISZ, rear parking sensors with a camera, and hill start assist. The rigid body structure, paired with modern crash protection systems, ensures passenger safety in all driving conditions. Cruise control, a 360-degree camera, and TPMS make it convenient for long-distance drives. Final verdict. The 2025 Hindustan Ambassador 1800 ISZ is more than just a car, it's a symbol of legacy reborn with innovation. It delivers performance, comfort, and heritage in one timeless package. For those who appreciate history with a touch of modernity, this Ambassador is the perfect companion. Subscribe to Pro Wheelhouse for more updates, reviews, and automotive insights.